Hey guys, this is Kobe from Performance Toyota, located in Singing Spring, Pennsylvania. Today I'm going to show you how to add antifreeze to your vehicle. On this specific model, we'll be looking at the 2018 Camry. Most of our vehicles will have a pink solvent inside the coolant container. Please make sure when opening up the lid that the vehicle is cooled down below running temperature, because that solvent will actually be heated up above boiling and will spray over and it'll cause a mess and it'll burn yourself. So what you want to have the vehicle is cooled down completely. You're going to open up the cap, pour it to the appropriate level. There's usually a max and a minimum on the coolant bottle. You want it right in between, so that way when it heats up and it expands the solution, it does not overfill the bottle. And that is how you fill your antifreeze. You can also contact us at performancetoyotapa.com or 610-678-3425.